How to open a greendot account online. Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you through the steps to open a greendot account online. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official greendot website at greendot.com. And on the homepage, look for the Get Started or Open Account button. Click on it to begin the application process. You'll see options for very different types of accounts, such as the greendot prepaid debit card or savings account. Choose the account type that best fits your needs. Now, complete the online application form with your personal information. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure all the information is accurate. Create a username and password for your online account. This will allow you to manage your accounts online later. Read through the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you understand the terms, check the box to agree and proceed to the next step. Depending on the account type you choose, you may need to make an initial deposit, so deposit some funds if required. After completing the form, review all the information you provided, so if everything looks good, submit your application and you should receive a confirmation email shortly. Your application will be reviewed and you'll be notified. This may take a few minutes to a few business days, so it really depends. Once approved, log into your greendot account using the credentials you created. You can now manage your account, view transactions and transfer funds. And that's it. You now know how to open a greendot account online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching.